Spoiled Cat. Rocky, my spoiled little goof, has the feline skill of acting aloof. Though I cater to his every cat wish, with new toys, treats, or a favorite dish, there's rarely a hint of true gratitude, and no end to his blatant catitude. Whenever I beg for his attention, it's as if he's in another dimension, where cats are superior and have no rules other than treating us humans like fools. I've come to expect the frequent rejection dished out by this master of choosy affection. My feline friend, with his golden-eyed glare, how I long for his love, but he just doesn't care.